Welcome to our guide on how to unload and load plastic filament on your Markforged printer. This tutorial is applicable for both desktop and industrial series printers. For this procedure, we will need wire cutters to cut the filament and a scale if you are loading a partial spool of filament and would like to meter load. If you are loading a brand new spool, make sure to inspect the packaging and ensure there is no damage. Keep your spool sealed in the package for now, and let's get started. Let's start by safely unloading your current filament. If you are unloading a partial spool, make sure you have a dry box on hand to store it in. During the unloading and loading process, minimizing the filament exposure to air is important. Nylon is a hygroscopic material, which means it absorbs the moisture in the air. Please properly store your spools in a dry box with desiccant packets to prevent them from getting wet. To navigate to the Unload Plastic utility, hit Menu, Materials, and hit Unload Plastic. Once the nozzle is heated and this comes up, press Next. Next, we will cut the filament at the inlet of the extruder. First, release the plastic feed tube by pushing the black Push to Connect fitting. Pull back to release. Once the feed tube is pulled back and there is exposed filament, cut the filament at a 45-degree angle. Next, open your dry box. Like so. And wind the filament back onto the spool. Make sure you don't lose the end of the filament. Once you get the end, secure it to the spool. Once the filament is winded back onto the spool, remove your spool and make sure you store it in a different dry box for later use. Next, unscrew the Bowden tube. Hit Next, and the rest of the filament will get pushed out of the extruder, and you can help it guide out until the end comes out. Hit Stop once the end of the filament has come out of the extruder. If you need to retry, hit Retry. Now remove the rest of the filament from the Bowden tube and screw the Bowden tube back in to the extruder. And then you can hit Next on the front panel. Now you have successfully unloaded your material. Next, we'll prepare our spool of filament that we want to load. If you are loading a new spool of filament, inspect the packaging and make sure there are no holes. Holes in the packaging could mean your spool was exposed to the air and may be too wet. If you are loading a partial spool of filament and are opting to meter load your spool, weigh your spool and take note of the weight. There are two types of loading processes, meter load and quick load. Meter load will track your material usage while printing. When meter loading a partial spool, you will weigh your material and input the weight when prompted. The printer will automatically subtract the weight of the spool and calculate the weight of the material left on the spool. Meter loading will allow you to track how much material is left and will be shown on Eiger and your printer. If your spool is meter loaded, Eiger will be able to warn you if more material is required than loaded when starting a print job. If you opt for quick load, the printer will not track your material. If you do not have an adequate scale, use quick load. Now I will demonstrate the loading process. Now I'm going to load this partial spool. I have already weighed it and taken note of the weight. I'm going to attach the spindles onto the spool. and insert it into the dry box. Now you'll take the end of your filament and feed it through the feed tube in the back. Make sure that the filament is unwinding through the top of the spool, not from the bottom. Push the filament until it is exposed from the feed tube. Before closing your dry box, make sure you have 2 desiccant packets inside and make sure they are flat and will not interfere with your filament spool. Now you can close your dry box and make sure that it is properly closed. You'll want to hear 2 clicks with every latch, like that. To navigate to the Load Plastic utility, hit Menu, Materials, and hit Load Plastic. If you would like to quick load, hit Quick Load, and if you would like your material to be metered, hit Meter Load. You can also hit Meter Load if you are loading a full spool. Select which material you are loading, and I am loading a partial spool, so I will hit Partial. If you are loading a new full spool, hit Full Spool. And now enter the weight that you noted before loading it into your dry box. And hit Done. Hit Next. Once your nozzle is done heating and you'd made sure your Bowden tube is clear of any filament, hit Next. Once you hit Next, the extruder will start going and you will want to feed the end of your filament into the extruder. Once material is getting extruded out of the nozzle, you can hit Stop. Remember to place your feed tube back into the fitting. If your plastic did not come out of the nozzle, you can hit Retry. If you are finished, hit Done. I hope you were able to successfully unload and load your plastic filament into your Markforged 3D printer. Thanks for following along. For a more detailed guide, visit us at saratech.com.